What's up, everybody? As you guys can see, DJI Avata finally came in. Let's open it up and look what gets inside real quick. Quick unboxing. Most likely you guys already seen unboxing videos all the time. I just want to make sure that I have that covered as well on my channel since I just got the Avata. And I figured just make a quick unboxing. It's nothing to be big. It's probably just a drone controller goggles, and let's just get a hands on. If you guys haven't done so already, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a thanks if you guys think this is actually helpful. So till then, let's unbox it. I just totally always dig when they do this kind of stuff. So there's two boxes in here. So this one is the goggles. Ta-da! So it's actually two boxes just like this. So because they probably sell the unit just like that without the controller and anything else. So let's take out the drone first, shall we? I think unboxing is one of the best things that happens, but it's the worst to watch. Where's the opening? Okay. Oh. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's see. There she is, the little beauty. Oh, a nice little bag with Ziploc, so you can put it back. Who wants to put it back? Beautiful. This is beautiful. This is like really, this is like the Mini 3 Pro, like size-wise. This is the battery. Pretty light. How does this work? Do you push the buttons in? The clips on the side? What's happening here? Okay. It's unboxing, not taking apart the battery. So inside here there is a set of propellers right here, and then we have the wire right in here, and this seems to be the charging block just for the battery itself. Yes, that's the charging block, the single charging block for the battery. That also has the wire to plug it in, but there is no block. Really? So it's a USB-C to USB-C wire, but no block. Okay, I think I read that somewhere that there was no block. So that shall be the drone itself. Let's do the goggles real quick. Should have the controller in there as well. I wonder who has to do the design for these boxes and stuff. They have a dedicated team for that. So this, where's the tab? There's the tab. Dun, 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 pa. There we go. Goggles. Oh, they are like way smaller than the old ones. I had the old FPV, the DJI FPV, and these ones are like way smaller and lighter. Wow, that is so cool, so tiny. I totally dig that they put these ones in there and then now no need to buy this anymore. So I get stickers on this as well. This is so cool that they put this. This is something else. Anyways, there's the goggles, and in here must be the joystick. There is these caps for your goggles, for the lenses, and this is the strap. This is the battery for the goggles, and here we have another wire that is the wire from the block to the goggles itself. There's one more wire right here. This wire is so this is a USB-C adapter to USB, regular USB to USB-C adapter. So, and then in here sounds like manual and stuff, most likely. Yup, manual. That can stay inside there for now. And then we have here our little joystick. 5D button, red button, switches on the side. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So there we have it. Yeah, and so these ones are the extra caps right in here for the goggles right there. And then there are some nice instructions on this stuff too. Like they actually put them on this box this time. Pretty cool. That's pretty much what we're looking at. So how do you take this battery out? Oh, you just slide it up. Huh, I don't know if that's really the best option. There's not really a clip to it, so you can just slip it in, but I think if it crashes, I think it's gonna fly out. I believe I've seen online somewhere somebody who had a strap around the backside so that the thing will pop out in case you crash to do this. But yeah, it feels cool. It feels so tiny. We got the Mini 3 right here. So this is the Mini 3 folded up right next to this bad boy right here, standing up. So yeah, probably when you unfold it, it's probably the same size. Height-wise, profile-wise, same. Thickness-wise, pretty much the same. And then when you go profile this way, diameter-wise, the Mini 3 a little bit bigger, but still cool. Yeah, so there we go, DJI Avata unboxing. Thank you everybody for coming. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Definitely be a nice human. Make somebody else smile. Pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.